Hey everybody, welcome back to Z3 Programming. And today we are going to be going over class objects. A class is the foundation in object-oriented programming. A class can have properties, methods, and events. A class is often considered a blueprint in programming. Just like a blueprint, a class explains in detail how something is to be built and how it will operate. As a programmer, when creating a class, you have the option to select the type of access that you want that class to contain. And in this example that I'm going to show you, we're going to be creating a public class. Public is the public access specifier. First, I'm going to enter in console.readLine, and I will create public class TV show. This is my class, public class TV show. Now I'm going to create properties. I'm going to type prop tab as a shortcut. Int, I'm going to change that to string. I'm going to change the name of the property to name. I'm going to create another property, public string creator. And I also have the get and set public string lead character. Properties allow class fields to be safely read and set within the class. Now I'm going to create a constructor. I typed ctor as the shortcut. A constructor has the same name as the class name, and the constructor is used to automatically initialize the object. And a constructor can have parameters or it can be set without parameters. And within this constructor, I enter in the name parameter, a creator parameter, and the lead character parameter. And I'm going to set these parameters to equal the properties that we created within the class. Name equals name, creator equals creator, lead character equals lead character. So whatever is put into that constructor, when we initialize it, will be set to those properties. Now I'm going to create a public method. Void is the return type, and the name of the method is called print show details. And I'm going to write this method out to the console, string format, and this will read the TV show name will be surrounded by brackets, was created by open bracket, creator, close bracket, and the lead character is lead character surrounded by open and close bracket. Now we're going to go back down to the static void main, and I'm going to attempt to initialize this class TV show equals Dragon Ball Z as the name, Akira Toriyama is the creator, and the lead character Goku. Now I'm gonna initialize another object. I'm gonna call it show2 equals new TV show, the Chappelle Show, the creator Dave Chappelle, and the lead character will be Dave Chappelle. Just messing with you guys. Now I will type show.print show details, and I will also type show2.print show details. So now when we run this application, it will print. It will call that method that we created within the class. And as you can see, it printed the TV show Dragon Ball Z was created by Akira Toriyama, and the lead character is Goku. And it did the same for the second show2 object that we created. That's a perfect, easy example of class objects and how you create properties, the constructor, and create methods. So now I'm going to delete this real quick, and I'm going to show you an example of how to create a static class. So static class today. This is the class. I'm going to create a static method, static public void print date. I'm going to write this out to the console. It's going to say today's date is open bracket date time dot now to string parentheses, and now I'm going to enter in the format that I want the date to show when this prints out. And now static is slightly different than public. Static, we cannot instantiate this object, but I will show you what will happen if you try. Let's say today, new today equals a new today object. As you can see, you see the red error lines. I'm going to try to access the members within that class. New today, as you can see, print date is not there because this is a static class. You can't do that. You can't instantiate this. So you have to type today, which is the class name, and then print date. And when we run this application, it will run correctly and it will print. Today's date is 9/11/2018. As you can see, that's it. It ran correctly. That was it for today for our tutorial on class objects. Thank you for watching. If this video was interesting or informative, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. See you next time.